Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel Food Tech Buddy by Mujit Dhoka. Neutralization reaction. Now, you know about acid and bases. What happens if we mix an acid with a base? Acid and base neutralizes each other and form another substance called salt. A salt may be acidic, basic, or neutral in nature. You will also find that the beaker or test tube in which acid and base reacts heats up. Toothpaste contains some basic substances which neutralize the acid produced by the action of bacteria on food particles stuck between our teeth and thus prevent tooth decay. The reaction between an acid and a base to form salt and water with the evolution of heat is called a neutralization reaction. For example, when vinegar acid is added to baking soda base, a salt, water and carbon dioxide gas are formed. Similarly, when hydrochloric acid is added to sodium hydroxide base, sodium chloride, salt and water are formed with the evolution of heat. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide forms sodium chloride plus water plus heat, and always acid plus base gives salt plus water. Uses of neutralization reaction in daily life as a remedy for indigestion. Hydrochloric acid is produced in the stomach, which is essential for its proper functioning. But when we eat spicy food, our stomach produces large amounts of hydrochloric acid, which results in acidity or indigestion. Indigestion can be very painful and can even cause stomach ulcers. As base neutralizes the effect of an acid, doctors give antacids like milk of magnesia contains magnesium hydroxide to cure indigestion. To cure ant and bee sting. Ant and bee sting contains formic acid which is injected into the skin when a person is bitten by an ant or a bee. This causes pain and swelling. The effect of an ant or bee sting can be neutralized by rubbing a base like baking soda or calamine lotion on the affected area of the skin. The base neutralizes the effect of the acid. In treatment of soil, plants grow best in neutral soils due to lack of essential nutrients or due to excessive use of fertilizers. The soil either becomes too acidic or too basic, which reduces soil fertility and results in the poor growth of plants. If the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime, calcium oxide or slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. These bases neutralize the acidic soil, making it neutral. If the soil is too basic, organic matter like compost or manure is added to the soil. It releases acid into the soil and neutralizes the basic nature of it, thus making it neutral. To treat factory wastes. Factory wastes are the most acidic in nature. If they flow into water bodies, they cause harm to aquatic plants and animals. Basic substances like slaked lime are added to factory waste to neutralize the acids present in them before they are discharged into the water bodies. Effect of bee sting: neutralizing acidic soil and acidic waste from a factory. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.